Hi, I'm Prashant Jalan and I represent the team Enable. As part of our solution for the GS Able problem, we thought of various solutions that is possible for this particular problem. The problem of navigation involves two parts. That one is localization and other is guidance. Guidance is relatively easy, which involves guiding the user to navigate. And the other thing, which is localization, is difficult in an indoor environment, and various solutions has been proposed for the same. We consider a basic solution of dead reckoning, which involves accelerometers and magnetometers. We have improved on dead reckoning. It is a step-based algorithm which detects the step and the stride length, according to which it estimates the distance moved by the person in a particular direction. Along with it, we try to integrate the Wi-Fi RSS fingerprinting, which is easily available in any indoor environment. So our solution is feasible we can scale it to any particular indoor environment which has Wi-Fi systems, and the user should just have a smartphone. Now let us just proceed to the code. This is one particular application that we have built. This is the navigator application which has various classes in it. Let me show you the working demo. This is the navigator application. In the navigator application, this particular dialog, it helps us to test the usability of the app. A blind person can have a speech output so that he can communicate with our app. This helps us to detect the Wi-Fi signals and save it on our RSS map. This particular compass helps us to know the direction in which the user is traveling, and this particular algorithm is what we have written to detect steps. These steps are false steps. Now every walking action has a bobbling action, which is a movement this way, which corresponds to a step with a particular stride length and in a particular duration. Let us now demonstrate some other prospects of it. Now we try to show how the steps are detected in our application. Now we start walking, and we climb the stairs, and the stairs are detected as steps which can be integrated in our application. So now we show how it works in our library at the ground floor.
Welcome to PKCalcar Library. Touch to receive destination options. Click on top to select a destination or on bottom for a different option. Destination reception selected. Walk straight for a while. You have reached reception.